This is Max, and this is JC. Max and JC were assigned to open an underground switching vault, cut circuit number 2, and then cut and install a pair of 3-phase splices to loop into a new vault. The day before, they'd switched out circuit number 2 and opened and tagged network protectors on circuit number 2 at vaults on either side of their work location. After doing their job briefing, pre-entry checklist, and atmospheric testing, Max went into the vault while JC served as attendant. Max checked his diagram against the cables racked on the wall, counted cables from the top, wrapped his bolt cutters around the cable, and cut. Except it was the wrong circuit. He mistakenly cut circuit number 3, which was energized at 20 kilovolts. Max suffered a first-degree burn on his face, but he got out alive. Still, you might not be so lucky. Even if you use remote cutters, you could save your life by following some basic inspection, setup, and work practices that this crew overlooked. This lesson will show you OSHA-approved methods for working in and around vaults and manholes to ensure that everyone goes home safe.